If you're running a small business, managing your team shouldn't eat up your entire week. Today I'm going to show you how to streamline scheduling, time tracking, and internal communication, all without hiring more help. I'm Phil Pallen, this is The Modern Boss, where we explore smarter ways to run your business. In this video, I'm highlighting practical tools that simplify workforce management for small businesses. I personally use Connecteam to manage my own team, and I love it, and I'll show you why it's one of the best all-in-one options out there. Let's start with a real-world example. Meet Faith, the owner of Frozen Flamingo in Georgetown, Texas, a beloved spot serving frozen custard, shaved ice, and frozen cocktails on the go. Before implementing Connecteam, Faith faced challenges common to many seasonal businesses: scheduling, miscommunication, fluctuating team morale. We'll link to this case study, by the way, in the description below. With Connecteam's scheduling feature, she streamlined shift planning, reducing the time spent on back and forth communications. In fact, I think it's a whole lot better to hear from Faith herself.
So I actually just started using a new app. It is called Connecteam, and this has changed the scheduling game for me. Here is my backend for scheduling. It's very intuitive, and I really like how it shows me everyone's unavailability. If I hover over this, I can see when she's available that day. It has cut my schedule making time literally in half.
I love it. More from Faith in a moment. I want to demo what she just showed you on screen, the scheduling features in Connecteam. If you're still building schedules from scratch every week, you're wasting hours that you could spend growing your business. Connecteam takes the stress out of scheduling with drag and drop shift assignments, making it easy to adjust your schedule on the fly. Just grab a shift, drop it where it needs to go. No more spreadsheets or pen and paper planning. That's old school. One-click duplication from previous weeks means that you don't have to rebuild schedules from scratch. If your staff needs a similar week to week, just copy, tweak, and move on. Templates are great for reoccurring schedules to save even more time. Create once, reuse often. Perfect if you run seasonal rotations or weekly shift patterns. Auto-assign takes it even a step further. Let Connecteam automatically fill in open shifts based on employee availability, qualifications, or custom rules. This is ideal when you're short on time or juggling last-minute changes. Finally, employee self-service. This is so awesome. Team members can request time off or shift swaps directly in the app, so you're not buried in messages trying to coordinate everything. Whether you're managing retail staff, cleaners, or a service team, these tools, which they can access from their phone, reduce time spent on logistics and give you more time to focus on the big picture. To illustrate this, here's Faith again from Frozen Flamingo demonstrating how she creates her weekly schedule in under 10 minutes using Connecteam.
My goal is 10 minutes or under. This is the current week. You can see that this is today. Copy previous week. That way I start with something. Starting time 3:48. I can take this shift and I can just drag it down to the person I want to give it to. I only have 2 closers and I want to add another one. So all I have to do is I clicked on these 3 dots and I'm just going to duplicate that shift. Also, as I'm moving all these shifts around, this is telling me in real time how many hours each person is at. It is very easy to make sure I'm not scheduling over.
Clocking in at under 10 minutes. Incredible, Faith. Time tracking shouldn't require micromanagement. With Connecteam, employees clock in and out, one tap on their phones. It's so easy. GPS tracking ensures accuracy. You'll know who's working and where. Here's an example. We're looking at a marketing and promo shift happening in San Francisco. The employee clocks in right from their phone and their location shows up instantly on the map, so you know exactly when and where they started working. Breaks and overtime are tracked automatically too, helping you stay compliant without the need to micromanage. You can even set up custom alerts to catch things like early clock-ins or skipped breaks. Super helpful if your team is spread across different locations. Now, not much to see here yet since I only worked a minute in this demo shift, but imagine this filled with a full week of shifts for your team. At the end of the week, your team's timesheets are export ready for payroll, saving you hours of admin work. And Connecteam integrates with popular payroll tools like QuickBooks, Gusto, Run, powered by ADP, Paychex Flex, and others, so you can move from tracking hours to processing pay with just a few clicks. And with geofencing, you can set up approved work zones so employees can clock in when they're actually on site. This is a powerful way to maintain accountability, especially for delivery teams, mobile staff, remote job sites. Whether you're managing field crews, pop-up teams, or promo events like this one, Connecteam gives you full visibility without slowing you down. For small teams and field workers, this means less time chasing hours and fewer payroll mistakes. Next, miscommunication. It can lead to mistakes. You and I both know. Connecteam's built-in chat and updates keeps everyone aligned. You get real-time chat between managers and employees, so questions get answered fast, like this one about a job site, without texts separately or third-party apps. You can also assign tasks, share files, drop links right inside the platform. And the built-in company newsfeed makes it really easy to post announcements, policy updates, and you can see everyone who's viewed it, so nothing slips through the cracks. Whether it's a checklist, a recipe, or a shift change, it's all centralized and easy to find. And communication goes beyond just logistics. It's also about things like appreciation. Here's Faith again, showing how simple it is to send appreciation on Connecteam, literally from her couch the night before a holiday.
I am planning really big holiday gifts for my employees, so I didn't do any sort of gift baskets or anything for Thanksgiving, but I still want to make sure that I let my staff know that I'm thankful for them and just make sure they feel really loved and appreciated on this holiday. So I'm going to send them all some coins on Connecteam, and I'm going to bring you along for the journey. Okay, so again, I'm literally just at home. This is so easy and simple. I'm just going to go down to rewards and I'm going to hit send tokens. I want to send it to all of my employees except for myself, obviously. And then I'm going to choose how many tokens. I think I'm going to give them each 50 tokens. So here it's building our mobile preview. I want it to say from Faith. It's a little more personal. And let's write a message. And then we just hit send. So you're probably like, what are tokens? Like, why would they care to receive 50 tokens? Let's go over to the cards library. And this is everything that they can redeem with their tokens. There is so much good stuff on here. So they just cash in their tokens for a gift card, and then they can use that gift card on whatever they want. Just another wonderful feature of Connecteam.
Instead of switching between 5 different apps, everything lives in one place. This keeps your team aligned and operations running smoothly. Managing a small team shouldn't feel like a full-time job. With the right tools, you can simplify operations, reduce overhead, and give your team what they need to succeed. Use templates and auto-scheduling to cut down on admin hours. Track time accurately with GPS and automate payroll. Keep communication in one place to avoid confusion. Connecteam, by the way, is free for teams up to 10 with a 14-day free trial on premium features. Check it out using the link in the pinned comment and description. And if you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more smart tools and strategies on the Modern Boss. Thanks for hanging out with us. We'll see you in the next video.